We are very excited that our steel has arrived, and they will be putting that in for extra support. And once the steel is in, things will be rolling for our new cafeteria, which is very exciting. Mini crane to help lift the support beams that they're installing. This is our old gym, just as a point of reference. So currently this is our old gym, which is our future cafeteria seating area where the kids will sit and have lunch. Again, they're bringing in extra support beams, and so the steel arrived the other day, and now they are welding it into place, which is very exciting. Good morning. Today is October 27th, and we are so excited. I used to refer to this area as the sand pit area, but it is our future cafeteria kitchen. And they are actually pouring cement in this area. So we have our extra support beams right here. Everything else underground that needed to take place. And now they're pouring the cement, which is very, very exciting. So all this area that looks like it's yellow. Hi, Paul.
Hey, how are you doing?
Good, thank you. Is going to be filled with cement, and once that happens, things are going to be rolling extremely quickly. And believe it or not, we are projected to have our kids sitting in our new cafeteria, which right now looks like this, which I'm sure you're saying, oh my gosh. But believe it or not, it will suddenly be a brand new cafeteria quicker than we realize. So it's just an exciting day here at MacArthur. So today is Friday the 13th of October. Dun dun dun. And you can see that they are delivering our roofing materials, so we're very excited about that.